At 9 Series, we love to create stories, a story of value creation. Here is a story for today. Vehicle assessment is one of the tricky tasks in the auto industry, especially when there are many fragments in make and model, complexity in ownership, legal and insurance requirements, and, more importantly, how vehicles are used. Many stakeholders in this ecosystem, vehicle owners, insurers, banks and lender, dealers, and resellers, wish to know unbiased assessment and, eventually, valuation of the vehicle. What is the correct value of a vehicle? How technology can help us to do it effectively, transparently, and, more importantly, at scale. This was the problem statement we discussed with our partner, Solvit, in 2017. It started with drafting down the existing process, defining the area of improvement, and seeing the potential where tech can add value. A fail-safe process not only assures the right quality, but automates the post-assessment process by piping the data to the right partners. The first version of the vehicle assessment solution was launched within 12 weeks of time. Since then, together, we have achieved many milestones. Currently, this solution is assessing up to 1,000 vehicles per week for 20-plus partners. Assessment time is reduced by up to 15 minutes per vehicle. Millions of lines of code have been written so far. 60-plus minor releases, 25-plus major releases, 70-plus major new functionalities have been added. How did it happen? This can be achieved through agile thinking, the right engineering and DevOps process, and, on top of everything, an attitude to innovate and get things done. This is the story we created in the space of assessment. Are you looking to create such a story? Reach out to sales@9series.com.